When pairing Flexcat speaker pods with the Topcat, you can conveniently use the Lightspeed remote control device to register those Flexcat speaker pods. You register the pods one by one according to their numbered designations, up to 6 speakers. Make sure before you start that you are using a remote control that is already registered with your Topcat unit. Also make sure that the Topcat is powered on and ready. This is indicated by the solid blue light on the front panel of the Topcat. Before you get started, take a moment to see where the registration button is on the bottom of each Flexcat speaker pod. Your registration button is in the smallest of the 3 holes, the furthest to the right on the bottom of the unit. You will need a paperclip to activate that button. Next, power on each of the speaker pods you wish to register. If you're replacing a malfunctioning pod, make sure it's powered off. Then, to initiate registration, for your first pod, take the remote control device and follow these quick key presses. Press the volume up button. Press the mute button. Then press the desired button number, 1 through 6, to register your first pod. The center light on the remote will begin blinking green. On the Topcat front panel, a light will begin blinking yellow. With a paperclip, press the registration button on the bottom of the Flexcat pod. The registration light on the bottom of the pod goes on and starts blinking yellow. Then it will go solid yellow, and the digital lit number on the pod will appear in the window. After a few more seconds, a green ready light will come on to indicate the pod is ready for operation. To verify that your pod is live, take your microphone and your remote. Select the corresponding pod number on the remote control by pressing the number of the pod you just registered. Speak through the mic, and you should hear your voice through the pod. For each of the subsequent pods you register, you will follow the same process, making sure that you're pressing the corresponding buttons by number 1 through 6 for each of the pods.